Sometimes, you might receive an invitation for an event through WhatsApp. If you get one, you can save the date and time to your calendar, so you'll get a reminder. In this video, we'll show you how to do this. First, open the WhatsApp application. Next, select the contact who sent you the event invitation. For example, I'm choosing this contact. Then, tap on the event. When you click on it, you'll see the date and time. Below that, you'll find an Add to Calendar option. Click on this. When you click it, the event's name and time will automatically be added. You'll see a repeat option. If you want the event to repeat, you can set that. If you want a reminder, you can set that too. Just tap on it and choose a time. For instance, if you want a reminder 5 minutes before, you can select that. There's also an option for 1 hour. Choose what suits your needs. If you don't want a reminder, just turn it off. For example, I'm keeping it as is. Then, at the top, you'll see a tick button. Click on it, and the event will be added to your calendar. That's how you can easily add events received through WhatsApp to your calendar. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.